Mad Carp Chasers.
Here we are on a specie, as you can see.
Yep.
A fisherwick.
Cold one, isn't it?
Yeah, it's dropping nice actually. But we ain't done a vlog in a few weeks, so we're doing one this week, ain't we?
Yeah.
Come catch or blank.
Yeah.
We're gonna do one. But I've got a good feeling, to be honest with you. Got a good feeling. I might be moving pegging a bit because I didn't get the peg I wanted. So might be uprooting in a bit and moving on. But
Been out a few hours though, haven't I?
yeah, been out a few hours. Had a couple of line knocks and seen some boshing. Some fish have been coming out as well on the pig side.
That's promising.
Yeah. What was it last night? 25 come out.
25, yeah.
So nice fish, nice fish.
Hopefully, it pays off for us.
Yeah, we're both blanking now for a couple of sessions now, innit?
Yeah.
The last fish I had was a pike on waders last session.
Bloody hell, it was my last car was stubby Lee's.
That long ago? Need to get him off the blank, don't we?
I know, yeah. Kill him,
yeah, dear. So we're both on a blank. Mine is not as long as Stu's like, but we're still on the blank, both of us. But see what today produces and tonight. Fingers crossed, isn't it?
Hopefully bag a few. But if not, just one.
Yeah, it'd be nice just to see the one come out, if not a couple.
Yeah.
But we're not greedy, are we?
Nah.
As long as we see the one.
Cool. That was a nice knock.
I'll be back in a bit, guys.
Right. Until in a minute. Peace. Cold, ain't it?
Yeah. It's dropped now, guys. Nothing to report. Not a thing, is there?
Nothing, not whatsoever.
What are we on? We're on literally 10 to 9 now. I've moved peg.
Double now, ain't you?
Yeah, we've had a flick about with the lures and spinners and stuff, haven't we?
Been on a noddy pole.
Yeah, been on the little match pool behind us. Still got the rod in there, haven't we? On the little pop-up.
Yeah.
It's cold. It's dropped loads, isn't it? It has dropped, man.
Really cold.
First time in ages, my hands have been cold today. Yeah, so...
My back's in bloody bits.
Yeah. Feeling old today.
Yeah.
But if we have anything to report for the night,
We'll let you know.
oh yes.
Be back on in the morning anyway, won't
Yeah,
we?
yeah.
Gonna catch up with a lot of things in the morning.
Yeah. But want to do a bit of poiking tomorrow, a bit of spinning. See if we can get a pike out of here.
That's it. Other than that,
Come on, copy.
yeah. Hopefully we have one for the night.
It went dark really early as well, didn't it, tonight? About 4 was it?
3:45. It started going dark, didn't it?
It felt like it was pushing 10 o'clock, didn't it?
Yeah. What is that? Nothing. Cack. Peace.
What my carp chasers? Nothing for the night.
Nothing whatsoever, except from cold.
Yeah, I'm all packed up now. Stu's staying on for the 48 again, so I had a little bit of action this morning. Pike chasing the lure, just turned in the margin, went. I did try and entice it back out, but nothing, not even a line knock on the old carp rod, so I don't expect it, any, but
yeah.
Happy days. 24 hours done. On to the next one.
Oh yes.
So I'll see you soon, guys. Leave you, Stuart.
Oh yes. How are you, chaps? Right, madcarpchasers. 7:20. I ain't had nothing. I've heard a few boshing. Other than that, nothing. It's cold, man. It's getting really cold now. So, yeah, that's why I haven't been on. It ain't good. She's knackered. Yeah, I thought I'd come on and give you a little update because the vlog's going to be short. I'll be back on in the morning anyway. Let you know. I hope I get woke up tonight. Really do. Yeah, John went home earlier, as you seen. He's fishing really hard, man. Really hard. Boshing all over me bait, but not taking it. Weird. Yeah, thought I'd give you a little update. Spread the love and all that. Christmas time's here. Yeah. I shall get back in touch with you either tonight or in the morning. Peace. Right, my carp chasers. As you can see, my rods are on the deck. It's the final countdown. I haven't had nothing over the 48. Sorry about the shakiness. I've had one there, one there, and one there. I've fed it up for the old 48. I haven't moved the baits or nothing. Yeah, I just don't think they're in this area. I really don't. But I heard a few boshing over the other side. But yeah, I ain't had nothing whatsoever. It's getting a norm for me now not to catch anything. Don't know what's going on with me lately. John's had a good year. I've had a crap year. But, we said we'd vlog it anyway, so it's only going to be a short and sweet one. Probably bore you to death, but we've put a bit of a vlog on. So we always said that would come, whether it be blank or catch. So yeah, it's just not working out for me last few months, to be fair. But we keep pushing on, don't we? You know what I mean? Keep pushing on. I've had 2 on Ronnie's. Size 6 white gape. That's coming from a bank tackle. Brilliant stuff. Head over there and have a look. Size 6 white gape on some fluoro. £20 fluoro. And then the other one was an IQD rig. Yeah, that was on a wafter. I've had 2 on Pacific tuna, 1 on live system. I just really think they haven't been around me, to be honest with you. I really do. Because I didn't realise how shallow this corner was. It's really shallow. But I've fished the peg I wanted to fish anyway, so can't go blaming everything else. If it is, if it is. If it ends, it ends. That's how I see it. Yeah. Simply ran out of time. Didn't blank. But yeah, I've got to get home. Sharpish. Mrs. has got a team managers meeting or something like that, so I've got to get back for that. Other than that, please like, please subscribe. We'll keep this content coming, no matter what. I know this one's only a little boring one, but yeah, the weather ain't been on our side. I mean, yesterday I didn't get out of bed until bloody hell, gone 10:30 because of the ice on the ground was terrible. So yeah, got a few nice shots though. A few nice shots. But other than that, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that bell button, jump over to Facebook as well, Instagram. Yeah, got a lot going on. So yeah, check us out. Peace. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe to our channel.